Hello and welcome to yet another episode of the News on Map series. My name is Pooja. Let us begin with the practice question of the last segment. We have to consider the pairs. We have to match the mountain peaks to the parent range in which they are situated. Mountain peaks are given as Matterhorn, Triglav, Mont Blanc, and the parent range, different parts of Alps. Matterhorn is in Switzerland, and it is a part of Swiss Alps. Alright. The second one is Triglav. Mont Triglav is in Slovenia, and it is a part of the Julian Alps. Then comes Mont Blanc, which is in France, and Mont Blanc is a part of Pennine Alps. Okay, so remember this. So third part is Grain Alps and not Pennine Alps. Okay, they belong to Mont Blanc, belong to Grain Alps. So second and third are correct, but first is not. 2 and 3, only 2 pairs are correctly matched, will be the correct answer. Moving ahead to the next set of questions. Huge rare earth metals discovered in Arctic Sweden. So let us see the question. Which of the following water bodies is not a part of the Arctic Circle? Laptev Sea, Kara Sea, Sea of Okhotsk, and Barents Sea. So this is the map that is going to show us the water bodies which are in the Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle is this big. The range where it is written, where it is 10 degrees Celsius or below in the month of July, it comprises of Arctic Circle. So, East Siberian Sea, Chukchi Sea, Laptev Sea, Bering Sea, Kara Sea, Barents Sea, all are a part of it. Sea of Okhotsk is not a part of it. Okay, so that makes the third option to be the correct one. Unprecedented insecurity in West Africa and the Sahel. Security Council, United Nations Security Council was hearing about it. So we have to consider the statements and then we have to select how many statements are correct. The Sahel is a vast temperate region of Africa. It separates the Sahara Desert in the north and tropical savannas to the south. The Sahel spans across 10 countries of Africa. So we have to select the correct answer. Here is the Sahel region. It is not a temperate region but semi-arid region. So first statement is not correct. It has Sahara to its north and savanna, the tropical forest, to its south. So first statement is not correct, okay? But second is correct. Then the Sahara spans across 10 countries of Africa. This is correct. First is Gambia. Then we have Senegal, Mauritania, Guinea, Mali, Burkina Faso, Niger, Nigeria, Cameroon, and Chad. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is correct. Third statement is also correct. Second is also correct, but not first. Option B here will be the correct answer. Moving ahead to the next set of questions. Ukraine war. Conflicting claims over embattled town of Soledar. So we have to look into the eastern Ukrainian region and see how many cities are there which we need to be aware of. So arrange the following cities involved in the Russia-Ukraine war from north to south. From north to south. Svatove, Bakhmut, Soledar, Severodonetsk. Let's see. So first, Svatove is over here. Let me change the color of the pen over here. Svatove first. Then we have Severodonetsk. Then we have Soledar. And finally we have Bakhmut. Okay. So first, Svatove. Okay. Then Severodonetsk 1 and 4. Then comes Soledar, that is 3. 1, 4, 3, and then we have Bakhmut, that is 2. 1, 4, 3, 2 is the correct answer. Option B here is the correct answer. A video showing soldiers hurling a corpse onto a pile of burning rubble in Mozambique's north gives the glimpse of what is happening in a forgotten war. Amnesty International has said that. So we have to look at the rivers and the country of origin in South Africa. Zambezi River, Zambia. Limpopo River, South Africa. Orange River, Lesotho. So first we have to talk about Zambezi River. Yes, Zambezi River originates in northwest Zambia and then it goes through many countries and also Mozambique and then finally goes into the Indian Ocean. So first pair is correct. Then we have Limpopo River. Limpopo River rises as Crocodile River, okay, and that is in South Africa, okay. So second pair is also correct because of this. Then we have third one, that is the Orange River. Orange River, rightly so, originates in Lesotho. Okay, Lesotho is a landlocked country. It is completely landlocked by only one country, that is South Africa. So that makes all the three pairs correct. C, option C is going to be the correct answer. Alright, moving ahead to the next set of questions. India has signed with Saudi Arabia the Hajj 2023 bilateral agreement, and Saudi Arabia has assigned a quota of 1 lakh plus seats to India, which is the highest ever for India. So we have already covered the Hajj, the news for Hajj in our in-news series. You can watch that of yesterday, as in Fridays. Okay. So from west to east, arrange the following sites: Mecca, Mina, Mount Arafat, Muzdalifah, then Mecca, Muzdalifah, Mount Arafat, Mina, and so on. Let us jump to the map. First, from west to east, first is Mecca, which houses the two important hills and Kaaba. Okay. Then we have Mina, where Muslims stay and read Quran, and then they pick up pebbles as well. Then we have Muzdalifah, and finally we have Mount Arafat. Okay. So remember that. First we have Mecca, then Mina, okay, then Muzdalifah, and then Mount Arafat. Option C here is going to be the correct answer. Moving on to the next question. Thai army kills 5 suspected drug smugglers near Golden Triangle. So which of the following countries is not a part of the Golden Triangle? Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia. So here is the Golden Triangle and here is the Golden Crescent. Golden Crescent consists of Iran, Pakistan, Afghanistan, whereas Golden Triangle consists of Myanmar, Thailand, Laos and Vietnam. Okay, so that makes the correct answer to be, let's see, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia. Cambodia is not a part of the Golden Triangle. Moving ahead to the next set of questions. Brazil's top court to investigate Bolsonaro role in anti-Lula riots. We have already covered this as well in our in-news series. You can watch that. Consider the following statements. Brasilia, the capital of Brazil, is situated in the Amazon basin. Only 2 countries in South America do not share a border with Brazil. So let us see the correct answer here. Actually, Brasilia is in the Brazilian highlands and not in the Amazon basin. So first statement is not correct. Second statement says that only 2 countries are there in South America that do not have a border with Brazil. That is correct, because one of those countries is Ecuador and the another one is Chile. Apart from these 2 countries, all other countries in South America have a border with Brazil. Okay. So first statement is not correct. Second is correct. Are not correct we have to choose over here. So one only will be the correct answer, option A. Alright. Moving ahead to the next set. Usually, when Volcano Awareness Month on the Big Island takes place every January, it's a reminder to people that they live alongside mountains that can erupt and how they can be prepared as it is going on in the month of January. So we have to consider the pairs and the trench to, at which they lie. Volcano and trench. Sumeru, Java, Ruapehu, Karmadak, Tonga, and Shishaldin, Aleutian Trench. So let us see. First, let us see Shishaldin. Yes, it is a volcano. It is in the Aleutian Trench. Then Ruapehu is in Karmadak, Tonga Trench. And then we have finally Sumeru, which is in the Java Trench. It is in Java only. Okay. So all the 3 are correct. All 3 pairs is going to be the correct answer. Option C. Moving on. Uttarakhand government on Joshimath. It is probing NTPC project's role. What happened in Joshimath all of a sudden? Which of the following Panch Prayag are correctly matched? Vishnu Prayag is at the confluence of Dhauli Ganga and Alaknanda. Nanda Prayag, Nandakini and Alaknanda. Karna Prayag, Pindar and Alaknanda. And then Rudra Prayag, Mandakini and Alaknanda. Alaknanda is the common stream over here. Let us see. First, Vishnu Prayag, it is actually at the confluence of Dhauli Ganga and Alaknanda. Then we have Nanda Prayag, which is at the confluence of Alaknanda, and here is Nandakini. Then we have Karna Prayag, which is at the confluence of Alaknanda and the Pindar. Then we have Rudra Prayag, which is at the confluence of Alaknanda and then Mandakini. Finally, at Dev Prayag, we have Bhagirathi and Alaknanda, from where is the origin of Ganga. Okay, so all of them are actually correct. Vishnu Prayag at Dhauli Ganga and Alaknanda, Nanda Prayag, Nandakini and Alaknanda. Then we have Karna Prayag, which is Pindar and Alaknanda, and finally Rudraprayag, Mandakini and Alaknanda. So option D is going to be the correct answer. Moving on, Godavari estuary. In Andhra Pradesh, it has become prime habitat for Indian skimmers. It is according to certain experts. So we have to consider the statements with respect to Godavari only. The Godavari river rises from Triambakeshwar in Nagpur. Manjira and Pravara are its right bank tributaries. Let's look at it. The first statement is partially correct because yes, it originates from the Triambakeshwar plateau or hills, not plateau, but it is in Nashik district and not Nagpur. First is correct. And then we have Pravara and Manjira joining the Godavari from the right side. So it's right bank tributaries. These two are right bank tributaries. So only the second will be correct. That is option B. Moving on, if a person boards a flight from Gangtok, which is the capital of Sikkim, to Itanagar, which is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh, and then from Itanagar to Agartala is the capital of Tripura, and then again from Agartala to Gangtok, then the capital of which of the following states will definitely lie within the apparent triangle made. So for this, we have this particular map. From Gangtok to Itanagar the person is going, then from Itanagar to Agartala, and then again from Agartala to Gangtok, which makes a triangle. This is an apparent triangle. So which will definitely lie, the capital of which states will definitely lie inside it? Assam and Meghalaya. So let us see the options. Assam is not here. Meghalaya will be the correct answer because Mizoram's, Nagaland's and Manipur's capital are not lying within it. Okay. So I hope you understand. These are the kind of questions which will help you understand what is the latitude and longitude of the northeastern capitals. Grasslands, forests and glaciers decreased in Kedarnath, Joshimath region for over 3 decades. Now let's move on towards UPSC Prelims 2020 question. Siachen Glacier is situated to the east of Aksai Chin, east of Leh, north of Gilgit and north of Nubra Valley. Let us see the map. So Siachen Glacier is over here and it is to the west of Aksai Chin and it is to the east of Gilgit-Baltistan and not at all to the north of Gilgit because Gilgit-Baltistan is to the west of Siachen. Then it is east to Leh. That's not correct. It is actually north to Leh. But it is definitely north of the Nubra Valley. Okay, the Siachen Glacier. So option D over here is the correct answer. Now let's move on to the practice question that you have to practice for the next segment. Which of the following islands in the South China Sea lie closest to Taiwan? Natuna Islands, Spratly Islands, Quonset Island or Pratas Island. So answer this question correctly. That's it. Thank you so much for watching.